Alright, here's the assignment. In Google presentations you're going to create, we did this as a class, okay? You're going to create something similar to this, but let me show you how to do this. So first of all, first slide, you're going to do this. You're going to create this slide. So in Google, you're going to go to your Google Drive, you're going to hit New, Google Slides, alright, and then open something up that looks like this. I'm going to kind of cruise through this, so if I go too fast, rewind it or pause it or do what you need to do. So here, you're just going to click Simple Light, hit OK. And on this slide here, we're going to get rid of this stuff on here. So you go to Layout, Blank, and there you go. Alright, next, we need two pictures of Lincoln High School. So you can see on here our background picture is Lincoln. And our picture down here in the bottom right hand corner is of Lincoln. So you're going to go to Google, do a search for Lincoln High School Denver. You can use any two pictures on here that you want to. I use this one here and this one down here at the bottom a little ways, but you can pick any two that you want. But as you can see, one of them has to be in black and white and one is in color. So open up on your computer. You have this Photoshop here. You can open that up. It opens up here. Go to File, Open. I've already saved my pictures. You will have saved your Lincoln pictures on your computer. Hit Open. There it is. I'm going to change it to black and white because I want to have a black and white background. So you're going to go to Enhance, Convert to black and white. Okay, there we have it. Now you're going to save it as a JPEG. Okay, JPEG. I'm going to save it as ALHS. Yes, I'll replace the current one. Okay. You're done with Photoshop, so you can close that. Alright, back to our presentation. Alright, first of all, you're going to title it. Up here in the top left hand corner, you're going to click up here. Title it Colleges or Colleges 2 or something like that. Alright, so you want to add the background. So here's the background button up here. Click on it. Image choose. Choose an image to upload. There it is. A black and white picture we already changed. Hit done. There you have it. Okay. Now let's look at next what we're going to do. Using WordArt, you're going to put ALHS on here. Okay. There's two ways that you can do text. So if you go to Insert, you can use Text Box or you can use WordArt. I'm going to show you how to use both of them, but for the first part here, we're going to use WordArt. So we click it. I said it had to say ALHS, so I type ALHS. Click on the screen. Now you can move it wherever you want. I'm going to stick mine down here in the middle, kind of center it up here. That little red line pops up when it's centered. And then we also go to the paint bucket up here. I'm going to change it to the colors I want. Paint bucket changes the color of it. Pencil changes the outline of it. Okay, and you can make it thicker by using this here. So there we have ALHS. You could change actually that's how we want it right there. Alright. Now we're going to put your GPA. So you need to look up your GPA and your ACT. Alright, now on the class website, either class you're in, if you're in computer business applications or accounting, it doesn't make a difference. At the bottom of the website here, check your grades. Okay, click on it, log on, open it up, check, go to your transcript, and find what your current GPA is. You want your weighted, and if you've taken the ACT, we're going to put that on here as well. If you can't find your transcript or you don't know where it's at, ask me and I'll help you. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to put that on there, because this is a word art, and we're going to use text box for the ACT and the GPA. So we're going to go to Insert, Text Box, drag it on here, make a little square. Now you can type your GPA, whatever it is, and your ACT if you've taken it, whatever it is. You notice you can't even see it right now. Okay, we have this box here, but we can't see anything. So we are going to change the color of the box, the background. Once again, go to this paint bucket. There you go, just made it white. You're going to add a border to it. And change the width, how thick it is here. And then if you move it around, look for that red line, there it is, it's centered up. And if you want to center up the text, click up here. There you have it, centered up. You can change it. You can make this whatever font you want. I'm going to change it. Change the size if you want. Alright, so I'm going to say that's my GPA and my ACT, because I'm going to use them for the assignment. And let's go back and look at the original. You don't have to put this on here, but just so you know, if you're a senior, make sure you're doing your FAFSA. This is free money, $5,500. A lot of students at Lincoln get that amount from the FAFSA, but you got to fill it out. And then if you've been a student in DPS for 4 years and you have a GPA about 2.5 or so, Denver Scholarship Foundation will also give you $1,500 free. Don't have to pay it back, it's for 2 years. So make sure you do that as well. If you don't know what it is, if you have questions, ask me or see the Future Center. So you don't have to put that on there. I just put it on there to inform you of that. But you need to put your name down here at the bottom. Okay? So we're going to go, I'm going to change this. I don't like this border, by the way, so I'm going to change it. Nope, that's better. Too thick, though. There you have it. Okay, so we're going to put your name on here, insert, text box. Okay, you put your name by. Full name, first and last name. Okay, you can't see it, so I'm going to change the color. Oh, right here. Oops. There we are. So by Jackie McBroom, ALHS Word Art. Text box with my GPA and my ACT, my name here. The only thing now I need is this picture. So we're going to put a second picture on here. Insert image. Choose an image to upload. Find that image you saved to Lincoln. Click on it. Boom, there it is. Now you're going to make it smaller. And you can rotate it here, and you can add a border as well, just pencil, and the thickness here. Okay, and this is what we're doing together as a class. Okay, you're creating a slide similar to this as a class. Okay, so here's what we got. Now here's what I need from you. Let me show you real quick in case you don't know. If you want to add a new slide, you just go to Insert, New Slide. It drops a blank slide down here. Don't forget to change the layout to blank. Now here's what I need you to do. You're going to research some schools here. Now if you're in my computer business application, you're doing these Metro State, Fort Lewis, and Western State. If you're in accounting, you're doing University of Colorado, Denver, University of Northern Colorado, and Colorado Mesa. Now here's what I need on each slide. Each slide has to have a picture of the school. You got to change it to black and white of the campus. Okay, and you're going to make it your background, just like we did here of Lincoln. Okay. Now using word art, you're going to put the name of the school on the slide somewhere. So like you can see we put ALHS here. Alright, and then you're going to put a text box with the average ACT. You're going to put a text box with the average GPA. And a text box of the total cost of the school. So this is word art. These three are text box. Okay. I'm going to give you a little link here too that's going to help you. And then you're going to go to the image. You're going to put also an image of the campus. So basically what we did here, word art with the title, an extra image over here with a border around it, and then a text box including all that other information as well, with a black and white background picture of the school also. Alright, so let's take a look at the class website. If you go to the class website, boom, boom. I don't have it on today's date. I haven't put it on there yet, but it will be on there. It'll be right here. But I'm going to go back before spring break. That's when we started this. If you clicked on presentation, click here. It's going to give you all this information you need for the school. Okay, so these are the four-year schools in Colorado. And once again, you need the average ACT, average GPA, total cost of the school. So here we are. Let's go to Adams State as an example. Okay, the total cost of the school. You just go down here to cost and financial aid. It tells you right here. In-state, $5,160. And then you have to have these additional fees here and your room and board. So you add these three together to get your total cost of attending Adams State. Now we need the average ACT and the average GPA. So on the left you click on admissions, go down. You got to go down a ways and look around for it. Okay, you got to look, and I know that yours has it because I've already looked at them, the ones I've given you. So the average ACT score is a 19. Okay, it's a 19 to attend this school. It's the average, so some are a little higher, some are a little lower. And in the same area right here, it's going to have the average GPA also. Okay, like I said, I know that yours have them because I looked already. Most of them do. However, it looks like Adams State may not have the average GPA. But yours does have them. You're going to find them in the same spot also though. Alright, so you're going to take that all that information. Once again, accounting does these three over here. CBA does these three on the left. You're going to create 3 slides about the schools with this information you see right here. If you have any questions, let me know. When you're done, you need to share it with me up here. Share it with me, and you're good to go. Alright, thanks.